Welcome to the enchanting world of elephants, the gentle giants who grace our planet with their majestic presence. In this short journey, prepare to be captivated by the intelligence, compassion, and unique characteristics of these incredible beings. If you find yourself in awe, don't forget to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Majestic Matriarchs. Female elephants, or matriarchs, lead herds with exceptional wisdom, influencing crucial decisions. Their guidance ensures the well-being and cohesion of the entire elephant family. Gentle giants in action. Elephants display affectionate behaviors, including playful interactions and bonding moments. Nurturing is a central aspect, particularly in the care and protection of elephant calves. Intelligence unveiled. Elephants showcase remarkable problem-solving abilities, using tools and navigating complex environments. Their cognitive prowess is evident in cooperative behaviors within the herd. Sensational social structures. Elephant herds boast intricate social structures, emphasizing familial ties and cooperation. Communal activities like bathing and mud wallowing strengthen the bonds among herd members. Elephant communication. Elephants communicate through a range of methods, including vocalizations, body language, and infrasound. Communication plays a vital role in expressing emotions and coordinating group activities. As we conclude this glimpse into the world of elephants, remember to hit the like button if you've been enchanted by these gentle giants. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Share your favorite elephant fact or tell us what amazed you the most. Together, let's celebrate and contribute to the conservation of these majestic beings.